Hisense Vidda C5 Boundless Master Review, 2026. A new benchmark for triple laser home cinema. The premium projector market is evolving rapidly, but few products have generated as much excitement among home theater enthusiasts as the Hisense Vidda C5 Boundless Master. Positioned as a flagship cinema-grade projector, this ultra-premium model combines extreme brightness, advanced optical engineering, gaming-focused performance, and immersive audio into one ambitious package. According to reports from Gizmodonia and listings on Amazon Australia, the Vidda C5 Boundless Master is designed for users who want a true cinematic experience at home without compromising on brightness, contrast, or gaming responsiveness. A flagship designed for serious home cinema. At first glance, the Vidda C5 Boundless Master looks more like professional AV equipment than a standard living room projector. The chassis features a premium metallic design with a sophisticated royal coffee finish, giving it a luxury appearance that fits dedicated home theaters. But the real story is inside. Hisense equipped the projector with its new Alpha dual-engine MCL laser architecture, enabling a claimed 6,800 CVIA lumens of brightness. While CVI measurements differ from ANSI standards, this still positions the C5 among the brightest consumer-focused triple laser projectors currently available. The projector uses a tricolor RGB laser light source capable of delivering extremely rich color reproduction and enhanced HDR performance. Hisense claims over 110% BT, 20/20 color coverage, which is extraordinary for a consumer projector. For movie lovers, this means more vibrant reds and greens, improved HDR highlights, better shadow detail, more accurate cinematic color reproduction. True cinema-level optics. One of the most impressive aspects of the Vidda C5 is its optical system. Hisense includes a 17-element all-glass Hubble red label cinema lens with nano-coating technology and a massive 122mm lens diameter. Unlike many projectors that rely heavily on digital scaling or software enhancement, the C5 emphasizes pure optical performance. Key optical features include 2.38x lossless optical zoom variable aperture system, f2.0 f5.0, plus or minus 130% vertical lens shift plus or minus 46% horizontal lens shift throw, ratio of 0.84 to 1 to 2.0 to 1. These features make installation dramatically easier than most lifestyle projectors. Whether users want ultra-large 300-inch projection, ceiling mounting, rear shelf installation, or dedicated theater setup, the C5 offers flexibility usually reserved for ultra-high-end cinema projectors. Stunning contrast and HDR performance. Brightness alone does not create a cinematic image. Contrast matters equally. The Vidda C5 claims 8,000 to 1 native contrast ratio, 5 million to 1, dynamic contrast ratio 8,000 to 1, combined with Dolby Vision, HDR 1.0 plus IMAX enhanced, and filmmaker mode support. The projector is clearly targeting serious movie enthusiasts. Dark scenes reportedly show much stronger black depth compared to earlier DLP laser projectors, while bright HDR highlights retain detail without excessive clipping. The inclusion of Hisense's deep black image processing also helps improve perceived contrast and shadow precision. Gaming features that actually matter. Unlike traditional home theater projectors, the Vidda C5 also targets gamers. The projector supports 4K at 60 Hz, 1080p at 240 Hz, HDMI 2.1 low latency gaming modes 240 Hz. This makes the C5 especially attractive for PlayStation 5 players, Xbox Series 10 gamers, PC gamers seeking giant screen experiences. Community discussions on Reddit suggest that the projector's gaming performance is one of its strongest advantages, particularly when paired with modern consoles. Premium JBL audio built-in. Most projectors require external speakers for serious viewing, but Hisense partnered with JBL to integrate a built-in 2.1-channel sound system. The system supports DTS, X-Dolby audio processing, enhanced bass response. While dedicated surround systems will still outperform integrated speakers, early impressions suggest the onboard audio is surprisingly powerful for casual viewing. This makes the projector viable even without an immediate soundbar upgrade. Smart features and connectivity. Under the hood, the projector uses a MediaTek MT9681S chipset with 8 GB RAM, 1 TB storage, and Bluetooth 5.4 gigabit Ethernet. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 is particularly forward-looking and helps future-proof the device for high-bandwidth streaming and cloud gaming. Connectivity options include dual HDMI 2.1 USB 3.0 optical audio out RS-232 control. This makes the projector suitable for advanced home theater automation systems as well. Real-world expectations. Online community reactions have been mostly positive, though some discussions debate the real-world brightness compared to official CVIA ratings. Still, most early owners appear impressed by image sharpness, color richness, brightness in dark rooms, and installation flexibility. The projector's combination of ultra-bright RGB laser output and premium optics gives it a significant advantage over many lifestyle-oriented competitors. Final verdict: the Hisense Vidda C5 Boundless Master is not just another smart projector, it is a serious attempt to bring professional-grade cinema performance into the home. Its biggest strengths include extremely high brightness, advanced all-glass optics, excellent installation flexibility, gaming-focused features, premium HDR support, and powerful built-in audio. For users building a dedicated home theater or searching for a flagship large-screen entertainment solution, the Vidda C5 Boundless Master could become one of the most exciting projector releases of 2026. While pricing places it firmly in the premium category, the overall feature set suggests Hisense is targeting enthusiasts who would otherwise consider far more expensive cinema projection systems.